Do you ever lie in bed at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering why it's so hard to fall asleep? You used to be able to drift off easily, but now even when you're tired, your body just doesn't cooperate. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. As we age, our sleep patterns naturally change, and many people over 60 struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep through the night. But here's the good news. With a simple 5-minute night routine, you can teach your body to relax, calm your mind, and sleep deeply, just like you did in your 20s. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's walk through each step of this gentle routine that can transform your nights and your mornings too. Before we begin, it's important to understand why good sleep becomes harder with age. As we get older, our bodies produce less melatonin. That's the sleep hormone that signals to your brain it's time to rest. On top of that, medications, aches and pains, or even simple habits like watching TV right before bed can disrupt the brain's natural sleep-wake rhythm. But here's something powerful. You can gently retrain your body and mind to sleep better. No pills, no fancy gadgets, just simple actions that tell your body it's time to rest. Step 1. Dim the lights and power down. About 30 minutes before bed, start dimming the lights around you and avoid screens. That includes your phone, tablet, or TV. The light from screens confuses your brain, making it think it's still daytime. Instead, switch to a warm lamp. Maybe play some soft music or nature sounds. This simple cue helps your body release melatonin naturally. If you enjoy reading before bed, choose a real book instead of an e-reader. And if your eyes get tired easily, use a soft amber reading light. Step 2. Sip a sleep-supporting drink. A warm, caffeine-free herbal tea can do wonders. Try chamomile, lavender, or valerian root tea, all known to calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety before bed. If you prefer something with a touch of sweetness, a cup of warm milk with a sprinkle of cinnamon and turmeric can also relax your muscles and promote deeper rest. Just remember, avoid caffeine or alcohol before bed. They might make you sleepy at first, but they actually disrupt your deep sleep later in the night. Step 3. Relax your body with deep breathing. Sit comfortably or lie on your back. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Now inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, hold for a second, and exhale gently through your mouth for a count of 6. This deep, rhythmic breathing slows your heart rate, lowers your blood pressure, and tells your brain it's time to unwind. Even just 2 or 3 minutes of deep breathing